In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a front marker light on a Jeep Patriot located in the front bumper. So in each fender well, you'll see these mounting screws. You have 3 of them. It's a 7mm socket or wrench, and you're going to remove them in both fender wells. We're on the passenger side first. And set them aside. So now that we took our 3 bolts out, we could take this little fender liner, kind of move it aside, and it exposes one more bolt right here, and it's going to be the same on the other side. To remove it, you're going to take your 7mm wrench or socket, and you're going to get up in there. There we go. Bring it down and do the same to the driver's side. So now with your vehicle raised up from underneath, you're going to pull these push pins in. There's one missing here, but there's 2 located here and the same on the other side. We're on the passenger side first. And then if there was one there, you're going to do the same, and then go over to the driver's side. So now we're going to take the top part of this bumper cover off, and there are 2 bolts on each side, and then you have 7 Torx bit head screws. The 2 on the side are a 10mm socket or wrench. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side, take that one out. So now we have the 7 screws on the top here, and it's a T20 Torx head. And you can take those right out, all the way across. So now what you're going to do on both sides is bring your hand to the bumper cover, and you're going to pull forward. Don't pull out this way, but pull it forward towards you. Like that. And then you can walk around to the front, grab the license plate cover, and pull the bumper forward. Now you're going to have to disconnect an electrical on the passenger side and driver's side. So with a screwdriver, you're going to take that lock pin, push it back, and then grab the tab, squeeze it, and pull this. There we go. And then you have one more down here. So now the fog light connector's right here. It's got a clip on the bumper. You're just going to pull that clip undone. Then you can rest that bumper down, push down on this tab, and pull. So now that the bumper cover's off, you can get right to that marker light, and there's 3 mounting screws, and they're a Torx bit, so you want a T20, and you're just going to reverse those screws right out of the plastic. They're self-tapping plastic screws. And then just slide it forward. Pull it forward like that. So here's our new lens, and you can see that it doesn't come with the bulb, with the socket. So you're going to take this plastic, pop that plastic, peel it off, discard it, then take the old socket and counterclock half a turn. Put it in the new one, lock it, discard the old one. And now we can take this in. You're going to slide it right in. There's a tab here and a tab there. And they go right in just like that. Hold the lens. You don't have to go crazy on tightness. You don't want to crack the plastic. You see how that really pulled it in over here on the outer side. So I'm going to go one more time over here. So let's grab the fog light connector, that harness. We're going to put this back together, line it up, and let it click. There we go. And that is the clip that goes on the plastic on the inner edge here. So bring your bumper cover up, slide it on. Now while we're here, we're going to take our marker light connector, click that on, and then push down that red tab. Now by grabbing the bumper in the middle, you're going to line this piece and this piece up with these 2 plastic guides. There's one on the inside, one right there. You're going to do the same on the other side at the same time. So just like that. Guide it in, and do the same to the driver's side. So now with that front fender liner out of the way, you're going to make sure your bumper is lined up with that mounting screw on the inside, take one of those little small body screws, line it up, 7mm socket, tighten it up. Take this fender liner, and it goes on the top of the bottom and on the inside. So these white tabs you want to be lined up on the inside. Just like that. Line them up. There's 3 of them total. Take your 3 mounting screws, line them up. Make sure you get that white tab. I like to line up the old marks. You can see where they were sitting before. So if you have to move it around a little, snug them up. You're going to put these 4 bolts in on the other side. Now from underneath you have this fender liner that's going to attach itself to the bottom of the bumper. You have 2 holes, line them up. Put your push pin in and then click it in. Do the same to the other one. Let it bottom out and lock it in. You're going to put the 2 same push pins on the other side. So now we can put our top bumper cover on, and it's 2 mounting bolts, like the 6mm with a 10mm socket head. You have one on both ends. Now go do the other side. Now we have 7 of these little body screws with a Torx head, a T20. Go straight across. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.